Hi there. Today we're going to talk about 5 tips to stay motivated while you're exercising and trying to stay healthy. It's a difficult thing to do for everyone, and I'm going to share with you some things that have worked for me. Number 1 is to have a plan. It's worked wonders for me because I know exactly what I'm going to do every day, how many days I will be exercising, and when my rest days are. This is a quick little example of what I'm doing right now. As you can see, I will do lower body one day, upper body, and then cardio, and I have a day of rest already scheduled. So it's something I look forward to. That way I don't have a mental exhaustion thinking I have tons of days of exercise in a row. I know, okay, tomorrow is my rest day. I can do one more day. It's super helpful. And another reason a list is so good to have is because when you are done with your exercise that day, you can cross it off. That's motivator number 2. So here you go. Today I did the lower body, so I'm going to cross it off. Just crossing it off feels so good. It's a great motivator. Motivator number 3 is to have a countdown. When you're exercising and you're doing several repetitions or sets, and you know that there's tons of them to do, it's so helpful to have a countdown. I use pencils sometimes, or little pieces of paper, sometimes buttons, whatever I have on hand, and I lay them out, and I know, okay, I'm going to do 4 reps of whatever, push-ups. So when I finish the 10 push-ups, I take it away. Now I know I only have 3. I do it again, take it away. Oh, I only have 2 more to do. It's really helpful. It's motivating to see the numbers go down. The other motivator is to have a reward system. I try to remember, okay, if I exercise today, I'm going to reward myself by sitting down and reading my book, or watching a really neat TV show that I love, or even take a nap at times. Any type of reward is really motivating, even going out to the movies. But as long as you have that reward in your head and in place, knowing if I accomplish this goal, like if I exercise every day this week, this will be my reward on the weekend. On the days that I will be walking, it's a motivator for me to stay on track is by listening to something that I enjoy. The music, a podcast, even watching a movie while I'm walking on the treadmill. The other thing that has been helpful for me is to do this with a friend. It's great to have someone that keeps you accountable, and you can also encourage them. Just reach out, say, hey, did you exercise today? I just finished mine. Make sure you do yours. Let's go out for a dinner or a movie this week if we both stay on track and exercise throughout the week. The other thing I started to do that helps tons is to prepare my meals ahead of time. It gets really complicated to do things last minute. So on Saturdays, I do the grocery shopping, and then I separate my meals. I have already seasoned the protein, and then I have the vegetables all cut up and set aside. The carbohydrate already chosen, and I put them all in a Tupperware. I throw it in the freezer and it's ready to go. When I get hungry for lunch or dinner, I have it all ready. I like to put eggs in my salads. This helps tons to boil a whole bunch of eggs all at once and put them back in the egg carton, leave them in the fridge for the rest of the week. And the foods that I prepare, I put them in the freezer, and every morning I take it out, let it thaw, so that when it's time to cook, I can cook them really quick. Let me know what you do that motivates you. What have you tried? Thank you for staying till the end of the video. Remember to be kind, laugh more, worry less, and pray more. I'll see you on the next one.